You might be walking past some of the most valuable gemstones on Earth right now without even noticing them. Hidden in riverbeds, rocky outcrops, and gravel-strewn hills, nature's treasures wait for the curious, the patient, and the observant. Today, we're going on a hunt to uncover 10 gemstone families that are not just beautiful, they're actually findable in the wild, and some of them are surprisingly valuable. So grab your tools, open your eyes, and let's discover what lies hidden beneath the stones. 1. Tourmaline Group, the chameleon gem family. You step carefully along the granite pegmatite, scanning every crack and crevice. Most people would see only ordinary rocks, but your eyes catch flashes of color hiding in the stone. Could that pink glow be Rubellite? Or the deep green of Verdelite? Tourmaline isn't a single gem, it's an entire family of colors. There's Rubellite, glowing pink to deep red, highly sought after Indicolite, serene, sometimes dark blue Verdelite, rich, vibrant green watermelon tourmaline, the rare crystal with pink and green in one. Each crystal is a masterpiece of nature, formed over millions of years in coarse-grained granite pegmatites, and the thrill is in finding it in the wild. In Maine and California, USA, Brazil, Nigeria, and Afghanistan, these colorful crystals peek out from rocks, waiting for a patient observer, brushing away dirt, prying loose rock, revealing a hidden pocket. This is treasure hunting at its purest. Whether you find a small Rubellite or a deep blue Indicolite, each crystal is a discovery worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 2. Beryl Group, Kings of Color. Now we move to the Beryl family, home to some of the world's most prized gems. Imagine lifting a chunk of mica schist and seeing a light blue aquamarine glint in the sunlight, or perhaps a warm pink morganite, glowing softly, waiting to be polished into a gemstone worth hundreds per carat. Beryl is not just one gemstone, it's a whole family of colors and varieties. Emerald, deep green, colored by chromium or vanadium. Legendary for its rarity. Aquamarine, pale blue to sea green, often found in long, faceable crystals. Morganite, delicate pink to peach, increasingly valuable. Heliodor, golden yellow, bright and vibrant. Goshenite, colorless, sometimes overlooked but still prized by collectors. These gemstones are often hidden in pegmatites and mica schists. Key locations include Colombia, Emerald, Brazil, Madagascar, and Pakistan. Picture carefully splitting open a pegmatite vein, revealing a long aquamarine crystal shimmering in the sun, a treasure millions of years in the making. 3. Corundum family, the hardness king. Next, we explore the Corundum family, the gemstone group second only to diamond in hardness. This includes the legendary rubies and sapphires, gems that have fascinated humans for centuries. Imagine walking along an old riverbed in Montana, gravel crunching underfoot, when a tiny blue glint catches your eye. Could it be a sapphire or a flash of ruby red? Corundum comes in a variety of colors: ruby, red, the most iconic corundum, colored by chromium, highly sought-after sapphire. All other colors including blue, pink, yellow, and even rare padparadscha, pink-orange. These gems are findable in nature. They often appear in alluvial deposits, river gravels, metamorphic rocks, and basalt flows. Key locations include Myanmar, the source of legendary rubies, Sri Lanka, Madagascar, Montana, and Australia. 4. Topaz, the classic gem. You notice a faint glimmer in a rhyolite lava flow. Could it be just mica or quartz? You brush away the dust, and suddenly a brilliant crystal emerges. Topaz. Its clarity sparkles in the sunlight, almost daring you to pick it up. Topaz comes in many colors. Imperial topaz, rich sherry orange, highly prized blue. Topaz, the most common gemstone, often treated for color. Pink topaz, rare and captivating. You can find gem-quality topaz in pegmatites and rhyolite flows. Famous locations include Ouro Preto, Brazil, the Ural Mountains, Russia, and Utah, USA. Even a small crystal can fetch hundreds of dollars, while larger stones with perfect clarity can reach thousands. And here's the exciting part. Topaz often hides in small pockets within coarse rocks. With careful observation and a bit of luck, you might uncover a crystal that's been sitting there for millennia, waiting just for you. 5. Andalusite family. The color shift gem. You pick up a small, unassuming stone from the metamorphosed, clay-rich rock and hold it to the sunlight. At first it looks brownish, then as you tilt it, flashes of green and yellow appear. Could this really be one gem, changing colors as if by magic? This is Andalusite, a rare gemstone known for its strong pleochroism, the ability to show multiple colors in a single crystal. Only the patient and observant ever spot it in the wild. Find it in Brazil, Spain, and Sri Lanka, hidden within metamorphic rocks that have undergone high heat and pressure. The gem itself is usually brown, green, or yellow, sometimes combining all three colors in one crystal. Holding a gem-quality Andalusite in your hand feels like holding a piece of nature's secret, a tiny kaleidoscope shaped by the earth over millions of years. 6. Garnet Group, fire in the rocks. Next, we hunt the garnet family, a group of closely related minerals often hiding in metamorphic rocks. Pick up a red crystal glinting in river gravels. Is it almandine, pyrope, or something rarer? Garnet comes in many varieties. Almandine, deep red to purple red, the most common pyrope, rich blood red, very collectible spessartine. Orange to reddish orange, known as mandarin garnet savorite. Rare green grossular, highly valuable key hunting locations include India, Madagascar, and the Czech Republic. Riverbeds and old mining sites are ideal. Each crystal is a miniature fireball waiting to be uncovered. Even a small garnet crystal can feel like a treasure pulled straight from the earth's furnace. 7. Jade, the carver's dream. Imagine walking along a mountain stream in Canada, the water rushing past your feet. You spot a smooth green stone lying in the gravel. Could it be jade? Jade is actually two distinct minerals, nephrite and jadeite. Nephrite, calcium-rich amphibole, slightly softer, 6 to 6.5 on Mohs scale, but extremely tough due to its interlocking fibrous structure. Colors range from white and yellow to mid and dark green. Historically, the primary jade used in China, found in British Columbia, New Zealand, and California. Jadeite, sodium-rich pyroxene, harder, 6.5 to 7, and capable of producing the famous imperial jade, semi-transparent, vibrant emerald green. The most prized jadeite comes from Myanmar, Burma. Jade isn't just valuable, it's treasure that tells a story. Each piece has endured immense geological forces to achieve its toughness and beauty. Whether you discover a river-worn nephrite boulder or a hidden jadeite crystal in a remote high-pressure deposit, the thrill is in the hunt. 8. Olivine Group, the volcanic gem, Peridot. You step across a black basalt field, the air smelling faintly of sulfur. Among the jagged rocks, a tiny green flash catches your eye. Could it be just a reflection, or is this Peridot, the gem form of olivine? Olivine crystals form deep in the mantle and are brought to the surface through volcanic eruptions. They are mostly limed olive green, glowing like small shards of sunlight trapped in rock. Major findable locations include San Carlos Apache Reservation in Arizona, USA, Myanmar, Pakistan, and Hawaiian beaches. Imagine carefully splitting a basalt rock and revealing a gem-quality peridot crystal inside. Even small crystals are collectible, and larger ones with brilliant clarity can fetch impressive prices. Hunting olivine feels like touching the fiery heart of the earth itself. 9. Feldspar Group, Moonstone and Sunstone. You kick aside a slab of igneous rock, and the sunlight catches something strange. Tiny flashes of blue shimmer across the surface. Moonstone, another nearby crystal, sparkles like gold. Sunstone. Could these be the Feldspar Group's hidden treasures? Feldspar is one of the most abundant gemstone families, yet it contains some of the most magical optical effects. Moonstone, orthoclase feldspar displaying a dual essence, a soft, floating glow of blue or white light across the surface. Sunstone, usually oligo-class feldspar, showing aventurescence. Glitter caused by tiny copper or hematite platelets. Famous sources include Oregon, USA, as well as India, Madagascar, and Norway. Finding gem-quality moonstone or sunstone is like stumbling upon a hidden secret. You might find one tiny crystal, its glowing sheen barely visible until you tilt it under the sun, and the larger, clearer stones are even more valuable, often fetching hundreds per carat. 10. Quartz Group, the prospector's best friend. Finally, we come to quartz, the most widespread gemstone on Earth. Yet even common stones can hide spectacular treasures. Amethyst, citrine, agate, and chalcedony. Amethyst, purple variety colored by iron and natural radiation. Citrine, yellow to orange, often heat-treated amethyst. Agate, banded patterned chalcedony forming nodules. Chalcedony, microcrystalline quartz, including carnelian, red-orange, and chrysoprase, apple-green. Quartz can be found literally everywhere. Riverbeds, geodes, veins, mountains, and gravel pits. Imagine cracking open a geode and discovering a cluster of deep purple amethyst. It feels like stumbling onto a hidden treasure chest. Even citrine and agate can surprise you, hiding vivid colors beneath dull rock surfaces. From tourmaline to quartz, every gemstone you find in the wild carries a story. Millions of years of geological history hidden in plain sight. Some are rare, some common, but all are treasures for those willing to look closely and patiently.